Hello guys, it's Shamsi here, coming back to you with another YouTube video, and today I'll be showing you how to get rid of the condensation buildup within your headlight. Now this can work for any car I suppose, but today I'll just be using it on a Ford Fiesta Mk6. And yeah, if you follow my guide, hopefully it will be as clear as crystal, I think, or whatever's clear. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and here's step one. Alright, so to get started, you obviously need to take your headlight off the car. You unscrew all the bolts that's needed, and then what you're going to want to do is to take out any bulbs or any electrical components, and then you want to get a hairdryer and start blowing it in to the headlight. As you can see in the video, you can see all them little droplets start shaking. That's the air hitting the actual headlight casing. And yeah, that's step one. So any hairdryer would work, anything that blows compressed air. Alright, so each car will be different, but for the Ford Fiesta, you're gonna have this little screw which is holding in the bulb clip and the bulb reflector, or whatever it's called. You're gonna want to unscrew that, but you're also gonna have to catch it because you know it's gonna fall into the headlight and it's a bitch to take out. Alright, so once that's out, you have full access within the headlight casing. Yeah, this is the reflector, and that's the clip that's gonna hold the bulb in. And yeah, so you make sure you keep it safe, and I'm just showing you in the video that that's where it is. That's how you screw it back in. And yeah, you have more access to the headlight casing. Step 3, I think, I don't know. Right, so as I was doing the blow drying process, I realized that the air is not really getting, you know, all the way to the water, and the water's not really dripping down to the bottom. So you're gonna have to use something else to catch the water or dry up the water within the headlight. Boom. So basically, I use like a long ass screwdriver, and I got a cloth, and I use elastic band or tape, as you can see in the video, and I started giving the headlight casing a wipe. I giving it a wipe. There's a dog in the background. I was giving it a wipe just to get every bit of water, all the corners and whatnot. And yeah. Alright, so if you follow my steps correctly, your headlight should be looking like this. Ignore that little sludge thing at the bottom. I'm gonna cover that in another video. So yeah, ignore those little droplets. That goes as you drive and whatnot. But yeah, that's how it looks now. I don't know what step I'm on. I forgot, like, honestly. But what you're gonna want to do with this clip, you're gonna want to put this above where the screw is, and you're gonna want to screw in that little reflector part as well at the same time, and you want to screw it until it's tight and firm. Alright, so it should be looking like this. It should be firm. It should be like almost relatively hard to move, but yeah, that's it. So we're almost finished now. Now the next step is to put the headlight back onto the car. You just clip it in, and then you just test your electrics. Once again, if you got a Ford Fiesta, you're gonna want to put this grill back on. It's these two clips, one clip right there, boom, and then the second clip right there, boom, and then yeah, make sure that it's firm. Okay, now this was the driver side headlight. This was not a problem, and this is how it looks in perfect condition. And then now we're just gonna switch over and see how it looks on the near side. This is how it looks in comparison. Relatively clear, it looks good. We'll pass MOT. You can flash your drivers who's moving a knobhead on the road. Alright, mate. Alright, that was bad. Anyway, this is my Ford Fiesta. It's a 1.3 finesse. I look at that finesse badge. This is how it looks. Yeah, I got plenty more mods coming, so just stay tuned. It's gonna look like a ST soon. So boom, like, comment, and subscribe. LOL, haha, funny face, haha.